Hello everyone, this is demonstration phase of the example code M Sequential Control Servo 6. The goals for when I write this example code were to show you the proper programming sequences to enable and use a typical XL-320. We'll be using only one servo, servo number 6, to show you this sequence. Also demonstrate the operating parameter of an XL-320, the basic one anyway. Later in the book, we'll show you more advanced operating parameters, such as operating mode. That means you put it into servo mode or continuous turn mode. Torque on, torque off, essentially basically enable the power into the servo. Torque limit is essentially the big current that you can put into it. That probably translates to torque also. Goal velocity is how fast you want to move it, and then goal position is which position you want to put it in. It basically is from 0 to 1023. And then lastly, the last goal is to show you how to use a moving flag to wait for a servo to go to the goal position. So when you send a servo to go to a certain position, of course, it takes physical time for it to get there. It won't be instantaneous. So you use the moving flag to make the program most efficient. Let's look at the code. Okay, so 7, turn power off, or LED off. So if you have a mini, it probably, when this executes, it's just gonna, suddenly it falls. Or it have no power in all the servos, so it can afford wrap down. So special utilization for servo number 6 then, I use number 6, set it to 2, it means set it into servo mode. And then I enable power into it, electrical current to it. Torque limit is 2023, which is the maximum current allowed. Goal velocity also 1023, which is the maximum speed as much as possible. And then I tell to go to version 512, which is 0 degree also here. 512, and we don't know where the number 6 is when this this command is enabled. So 512, we tell to go to any position. Usually we have a wait while loop right thereafter. So basically we say, oh, as long as the servo is moving, because we just told it to go to 512. If it's true, don't do anything, just wait here. So it will wait here until you get to 512. At that time, the loop condition, wait while condition become false. It goes to the next line. It tells it to go to 205, which is minus 20 degree here. And then we do the same trick. We wait while the moving flag is true. Don't do anything, stop here. And then when they get to minus 20, and then say, oh, now you need to go to 812, which is the position 90 here. And hey, just wait until the servo gets a chance to get to this position 819, and then the program ends. So right now is on this robot here, I already downloaded the code, but the power is off. This is servo number 6 here. So I'm going to turn it on, and you can see what it does. So that power red, everybody. That was done very quickly. So the first position was 1. I turn it off, turn it on again. So you see 1, and then position 1, position 512 I mean, and then position minus 90 degrees, position plus 90 degrees. So this is position 0 degrees, minus 90, and plus 90. So it works pretty quick. Servo can move pretty quick. So off power, put it on again, position 0, minus 90, and then plus 90.